Hi Kinders, this is Mrs. VK, Mrs. Van Kalmberg, and I'm going to read you guys a story from Wonders, and it's from Unit 8, and it's from Week 3, and I wanted to open up to this page first so you guys can see what our theme is this week. High in the sky. The essential question is, what do you see in the sky? Talk about it. What do you see in the night sky? Well, when I'm looking at the sky, sometimes I see a full moon, sometimes I see a teeny tiny moon, which we would call a crescent moon or half moon maybe. Sometimes I see no moon at all. When there's no moon at all, we call that a new moon. But so sometimes when it's a full moon, there's a lot of light in the sky, and sometimes I can even see clouds in the sky. So maybe you could talk about with your family what you see in the sky. Before I read this week's story, let's go ahead and look at some review words and sounds. And you can read them with me. So we have quarter, begins with a qu, q, zipper, z, z, goat, g, 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 van, v, 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 six, s, starts with an s, but it also x, ends in an x, x. And we have yarn, yeah, begins with a y. Let's read each word. We have up, gas, fox, jug, k, remember if it ends in a ck, it's k sound, quick, yak, zigzag, and wax. Now we also have some words to review, and these are sight words that you guys probably know already. For, have, they, of, said, want, hear, me, this, and what. Now those two look very similar, but if you want to remember the difference, want has a n in the middle, want, and what has no n. It does have an h, but the h is kind of silent because it's right after the w. So what and want. All right, let's read some sentences. I have this box of crayons. What do you want to read? This sentence ends in a question mark. It's an asking sentence. It also has two quotation marks, and that means that's everything that the person is speaking is right inside these two quotation marks. They can stay here with me. All right, let's go ahead and look at the story. It's called Up, Up, Up. And somebody wants to say hi, so I'll let him say hi real quick. There's Mittens. Hopefully he'll behave while I read the rest of the story. So if you hear some meowing in the background, that's just him trying to say hi. So here's the story. Up, up, up. It's got exclamation points. It's very exciting. So here we go. I have a fun job here. I am in luck. I can see up, up, up. If you look, he's looking through a gigantic telescope. All right, next page. This is what I can see. A jet can dip. It can zip up, up, up. Yes, a sun is big. A sun can get hot. I bet it can get up. I can see a big cup. I can see a little cup. See if that helps the lighting a little bit better. Yes, they are up. See up, up, up. Is a dim dot on it? Yes, it is a dot. Get a little more light. It is a bit of rock and gas. I want to see it zigzag. I can see it up, up, up. I can see up, up, up. it is a fun job for me. I cannot quit, quit, quit. And there goes Mittens again. So boys and girls, that's this week's story. If you want to practice, because practice makes perfect, then I suggest you read this a couple times and use something like a pencil, maybe the eraser, something really soft, and you can point without touching maybe on the screen, so you can point to the words. See if I can point it from here. Well, I guess I'd just do that. Just point to the words on the screen, or you can use a reading finger, and that way you can see and point so that you're reading the exact word as I read it. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.